And then there's this right here in the middle. There's this piece, everything's in Title 10A about child welfare, that says if the case isn't adjudicated in 180 days, 6 months of having someone's child, which would be egregious, actually the child's no longer in custody. So there's that check and balance in the law. This particular case was not adjudicated. Had it been within that time frame, had it been, then this permanency worker would have been able to submit her permanency reports to the court every 90 days. She would have stood before the court and said to a judge with her own mouth, I'm concerned about the placement. I'm concerned. I don't know why this kid's in custody. She could have said those things both in her report and verbally at the 90-day hearings, but it didn't happen. When we look at this, the Lochmans, actually this worker informed the Lochmans, we're beyond the 180 days, and I've never had a case not be adjudicated. I don't get it. Here's the law. I'm here to help you through this system. And the Lochmans said, well, then we don't want to give him back from a visitation.
That's
the
right.
law says he's no longer in your custody. Well, there was more police where the placement words became involved. The state office of DHS became involved. And what the permanency worker said to me over here separately, and the Lochman said to me separately, is they got another emergency custody order to keep him longer. So,
No.
but wait, DHS told the parents and the worker that they got an emergency custody order, a second one, instead of adjudicating the case. I cannot find that second order anywhere in court records. I cannot verify that second order even exists.
No.
Wow.
Yes. So that is huge. That is huge. And let me tell you about the totality of these records. The Lochmans went, Gardenia Lochman went, she requested all records on this case from the district court in Cleveland County, and she got a massive amount of paperwork. I have been through all of it. I cannot find that there was a second order. What the documentation does suggest is that the case was likely adjudicated on October 7th of 2021. This kid came into custody when he was born in December of 2020. That is more than 400 days past the removal. So this is serious. This is something that I don't know how DHS doesn't have to answer for this now that it's public. So the other thing.
Well, so basically they broke their own law.
They broke their own law and their own policy in multiple places. Yes.